Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from 1 to 3 of a 2x squared minus 12x plus 13 dx, and we have to evaluate this definite integral. Now, the first thing I want to do is find the integral, and we're going to put it from a to b here. Okay, so what's the integral of 2x squared? Well, the integral of 2x squared is a 2x to the third power over 3 minus the integral of the 12x part is a 6x squared plus the integral of 13 is a 13x. And we're integrating this from our a to b value from 1 to 3. Okay, so we know that to be, right, our f of 3 minus our f of 1. Okay, so that equals, let's go plug it in. Let's give me some space here actually. Could be a while. So we're going to plug in 3 first into our function here, and then subtracting we plug in 1. So put a little bracket here. 2 times a 3 to the third over 3 minus a 6 times 3 squared plus a 13 times a 3 minus, close the bracket there, new one, same thing, plug in 1. 2 times 1 to the third over 3 minus 6 times 1 squared plus 13 times 1. Okay, make sure I have it all good. Alright, so simplify this. Now, I've found this for you. This whole first part, this f of 3, simplifies to just be a good old 3. And the second part here simplifies, this is just algebra, to be 23 over 3. When we subtract the two, 3 minus 23 over 3 comes out to be a negative 14 over 3, which comes out to be a negative 4.6 repeating. And there we have it. Our integral, our definite integral from 1 to 3 of our function is a negative 4.6 repeating. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.